Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hello all, welcome to Ganesh IAS Academy. This is the special session related to the previous year question discussion about the economic topics that asked in the previous year prelims. Okay, so it is one of the special session to make how to crack the prelims. Okay, how easy to crack a prelims. Okay, so why they ask certain questions. Okay, so how to prepare for a prelims. Okay, so this is the main motive of this session. Okay, so let's just get into the session. This is one of the most easiest question asked in the prelims. Okay, 2022 is one of the most easiest question. The reason is the keyword is within that question. Okay, by that itself you can easily eliminate the statements and you can answer the question. Okay, consider the following statement: the governor of the Reserve Bank is appointed by the central government. Okay, even if you don't know, it is not an issue. Okay, because the key is in the second statement. The certain provisions in the Constitution of India give the central government the right to issue the direction to the RBI in public interest. See, with the basic idea, you can easily crack this question. Okay, RBI Act came into picture in 1934. Okay, but the Constitution of India came into picture in 1949 and 1950. Okay, so the RBI Governor or else the RBI, okay, it is nowhere related or connected to the Constitution, because RBI Act came before the Constitution was made. Okay, so by that itself you can easily eliminate the statement 2. Okay, and also you can go with another way. Okay, if you have a well-versed knowledge in Constitution of India, you can simply answer it, because there is no other provision speaking about RBI. Okay, there is none of the provision that is speaking about RBI in the Constitution of India. Okay, so by that itself you can easily eliminate the statement 2. Okay, then the governor of RBI draws his power from the RBI Act. Yeah, obviously it's correct. Okay, so by just eliminating the statement 2, you can come to answer as 1 and 3. The answer is C. Okay, so it is one of the easiest question and there is a key within the question. Okay, so usually if you are going to try any question in the UPSC Prelims, means try to find a key within the question. Okay, they will provide certain key to you. Okay, you have to find it and you have to use it. Okay, by that itself you can easily crack certain questions. So why they asked this question in 2021 and 2022? Okay, because there is a tussle between the RBI and then the central government, who have the power to appoint the governor and who have the power to regulate the RBI. Okay, so for that only there is certain cases related to that. From that they made certain questions. Okay, so from that only they made these kinds of questions. Okay, see, it is one of the easiest question. Okay.